Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lumbar support roll at home. So if you're dealing with low back pain, the first thing I would recommend is you go and see a healthcare professional, either your physician or your physical therapist, but let's get you some professional help to treat your condition. Now, if you're looking for some online fixes, one thing you can try is using a lumbar support roll whenever you sit. Your low back naturally has a lordotic curve to it, and no matter how hard we try, gravity is always pulling us down. So eventually your body is going to want to go into the position that is the most efficient, and you're going to start to slouch. And when that happens, our low back rounds into the chair. And that can put excessive stress on your low back and slow down the healing process. One thing you can do is place a lumbar support roll in that curve of your low back to help promote proper posture and prevent rounding of the lumbar spine. So a lot of my patients tell me that they like to place a pillow behind their back when they sit. And that's okay, that pillow is better than nothing, but usually pillows are not firm enough to provide support for your low back. And when we sit back into the pillow, your back is just going to squish right through, and you're not going to be tall and upright. Now, of course, you can buy one of these lumbar support rolls online for anywhere from $25 to $50. But if you watch this video, I'm going to show you how to make this at home on your own. So the first thing you're going to need to make this lumbar support roll is a towel. So go and grab one of your extra towels, preferably a larger one. And what we're going to do is start by folding the towel hot dog style, or the long way. Once you have your towel nicely folded, you can start rolling up one end. Be sure to make this roll as tight as possible in order to provide maximum firmness to your lumbar support roll. So just keep rolling all the way down until you have a nice firm roll. You want to get the diameter of the roll to be about 5 inches. 5 to 5.5 inches is optimal. So now that you have this roll, we have to secure the ends, otherwise when you try to use it, it's going to unravel on you. So what you can do is you can use tape or rubber bands to secure the ends. On this roll, I decided to use some extra zip ties that I had lying around, and that worked really well. But what you're going to do is find something and you just secure both ends so that the roll does not unravel while you're using it. Alright, and there you have it, your lumbar support roll. So what I would recommend to you is you try to use a lumbar support roll anytime that you're going to be sitting for a prolonged period of time. So make one for the car, make one for your chair when you watch TV, and make one for your workplace. And just leave it there so you always have it ready to use whenever you're sitting. To properly position the lumbar support roll, you're going to sit all the way back in your chair, and then lean your chest forward. Then you take the lumbar support roll and push it down and into the small arch of your low back. Then as you sit up, you should feel the roll push into your back, providing you with that support. When using a lumbar support roll, you should feel immediate relief in your low back. This will allow your back to be properly aligned and promote better healing. So go on, grab a towel, and make yourself a lumbar support roll. And don't forget to send this video to anyone else who might be dealing with low back pain.